Okay, for the activity number 2, hindi gumagana yung green effects ko. Sana, supposedly, green effects ang explanation nito. Bring your own family pictures. As in, kung nasa cellphone nyo or actual, pwede po. So, yung family pictures na yon na dala-dala nyo, it's either actual or via cellphone is okay lang. Sa next meeting, commercial break muna tayo sa ating reporting, no? So, bring your family pictures. Yung gagawin po, no, yung mechanics po, sasabihin ko po yan during face-to-face. Maliwanag po. So, commercial break po muna tayo sa ating reporting. So, meron po akong activities for this second, no, for midterm period, which is the bring your own family pictures. And, syempre, maganda kayo ng sarili nyong yellow paper. Thank you.